Hello guys, my name is René and this is restaurant Substans. Today we'll be cooking one of our signature dishes. It's turbot with buttermilk and a little bit of carrots. So we're starting out with this turbot, locally caught of course. And what we're going to do is we're just going to cut down here with the bones to get off the fillets. Oops. This is around 3 kilos or so, 2.8 I think as the note said. So really good size, and especially in this, it's start January right now, so the water is really cold. That makes the fish really firm in the meat, and that's really good to have great fish here in Denmark, so we use a lot of that. And then we'll be going through the rest of the dish with we are cooking some dried carrots and a sauce made from the buttermilk whey and a little bit of brown butter, a lot of brown butter actually. That hopefully should be it. So, just one side is off. What we need to do is we need to clean it a little bit, get the skin off, a little bit of roe. There we go. So we'll just do like one piece for the one dish. Just leave it here, give it a little bit of salt. And then we'll fry it in 5 minutes. So next up is carrots. We're going to do different kind of carrots for the dish. This is classic winter carrot. So the flavor is not as great as in the summertime, but still good. So what we're doing is just peeling the carrots, and then we're going to cut it on this classic mandolin and do like a raw thing. So chop off the dish to give a little bit of crunch and a little bit of sweetness as well. So that's one of the carrots. There we go. The other carrot, just show it how it's done. And it takes a bit longer, but you get a sense of what we're doing. Start by peeling it, and then we cut it like this, and then again like this. So we cut it into quarters, and And once that's done, we put it into the dehydrator at 50 degrees for 24 hours. And then it comes out like this. So all dried up. And we're gonna cook this in some buttermilk juice and a little bit of carrot juice as well, and make it into a sauce. So they get all texture, get all chewy, but still has this sweetness. So that's it. Now we're gonna cook the fish. So now we're gonna fry the fish. All we need is a really hot pan. Put it on. Add just a little bit of lemon thyme. There we go. Meanwhile, we have the carrots from the dried carrots. Cooking them in the buttermilk way, and a little bit of carrot juice to make them all nice and soft again, chewy. Season them with just a little bit of salt and black pepper. Turn them over, just cook them a little bit on the other side as well. Add a little bit of butter. Now we're ready to garnish the dish. So now we're ready for the garnishing. Just walk over through all the things that's on the dish. This is the fried turbot, just laying here. Then we'll add a little bit of the carrots as well. The sauce is also here, so it's nice and easy. Then we have some fried hazelnuts. There's a little bit of pickled wild onions from this summer. Tarragon, some wood sorrel, and of course the raw carrots, and that's basically it. So we'll get started. It's actually quite simple. We'll just take the fish, put them in the bottom of the plate, like this. Then we'll add some of the carrots. There we go. Just a little bit of the hazelnuts as well, just to give it a little bit of crunch. The onions, they have a little bit of punch, so just 5 or 6 of those. And we'll add a little bit of tarragon over here. The raw carrot. just finish it up with the sorrel. A little bit of sorrel oil. And then we will add the sauce. Now it's done. That's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed the dish, and hopefully you'll come see us soon here at the restaurant Substans.